Cheers. Thank you very much, Hannah, for that introduction. Jersey Water, once again, very proud to be the main sponsors of this year's conference. It's great to see so many people here again. I remember last year it was touch and go, and it was nicely timed between the restrictions, so hats off to John for pulling it off once again. It's great to see everybody. I spoke last year about the twin challenges that we were all facing in relation to Brexit and COVID. And these challenges are threats are very live today, and they've got potentially a very long tail for us. And they've led to many practical challenges in running our businesses that serve the island. The challenges are particularly acute in areas such as supply chains, logistics, and recruitment. And whichever industry you're in, we're seeing a lot of these challenges. Our industries and our businesses have had to demonstrate resilience to maintain services and to draw deep into our organisational and personal reserves. Challenges remain for our supply chains, and for many of you as producers, you are often the very foundation of that supply chain and performing a very important role. In Jersey Water, we've had to develop resilience and innovation and actively seek out our vulnerabilities in order to stress test our assumptions and to enhance what we have and make the best of what we have. Many of us have also had to demonstrate personal resilience in the challenges of the last 2 years in our families and in our businesses. Despite these challenges, Jersey Water is celebrating an exceptional year for water quality. In our business year of 2021, which ended at the end of September, we have achieved 100% compliance with water quality standards. That is the result of over 800 samples and over 15,000 separate analyses of these samples across a range of parameters. Many companies, Jersey Water included, have achieved 98%, 99 point something percent in the past, but never before has 100% compliance been achieved anywhere in the British Isles. So it's a great achievement. For 8 years in a row, there has been no breach of the nitrate standards in drinking water in Jersey. Some sources are still seasonally high and present challenges and require careful management, but there has been huge and measurable improvements by your actions that have been recorded in recent years. 2 successive wet winters have made water resources plentiful for us. The patterns of rainfall have presented us challenges, but as well as nitrates being lower, we have recorded fewer pesticide detections in raw waters. And this underlies the importance and the value of the Action for Cleaner Water group. We admit Jersey Water are very demanding on this front. We want both quantity and quality, and neither one on its own will do. Our customers expect it, and it's our duty, and we owe it them to deliver it consistently. So today's about learning and partnerships and forming strong links and working together. And these partnerships and cooperation can help build resilience for us all and help our businesses perform sustainably for the benefit of all islanders. So we face current and future challenges to meet carbon emission targets, both locally and globally. But we must see opportunities within this challenge. There is great opportunity for carbon sequestration in soils. Good soil management can retain water, prevent runoff and flooding, and it can reduce the silting up of our streams and reservoirs that we need to operate. Good farming practices and innovation will benefit our watercourses and deliver ecological benefit for the island for generations to come. When the conference is over and we all go about our work together, we will need to continue to work in this way. Not for individual successes, but for collective gains to share benefits and successes for Jersey. So thank you all for listening. Enjoy the conference. I'm looking forward to another day of learning as well. And I'll now hand over to Senator Lyndon.